Okay, we are done with the registration functionality, but one thing I noticed here, the success message did not disappear after 5 seconds. It was supposed to disappear after 5 seconds, but for some reason it did not work. Okay, so if you want to see that again, I'll actually say test Ratan. I'll say t@gmail.com. I'll put some strong password. Okay, so when I click on this register, the success message will appear, but I want this message to go away after 5 seconds because we have already implemented that fade out function, right? But it is not working. That's because, by mistakenly, we deleted the jQuery CDN in the base.html. While we were working on Bootstrap 5, we deleted the CDN as well. So that's my bad. So what I'll do is I'll actually put the CDN back, jQuery CDN. So where to get jQuery CDN? Go to Google, say jQuery CDN, jQuery CDN, and in the W3 schools only you'll get. Okay, so this is Google CDN. Just copy the script and go to the head section. Yeah, here. Okay, paste it. Now hard refresh the page. Okay, hard refresh the page. If you're using Mac, just click Shift and Command and then R. Okay, so this will hard refresh the page. And if you're using Windows, click Control F5. Okay, so that will hard refresh your page. Okay, so now let's quickly say Ratan 1 2 3. Okay, gmail.com, put some password. I just want to make sure that is working or not before I go on, right? Okay, register. Let's wait for 5 seconds. Okay, so the message just got disappeared. All right, so that's a very quick video. And the next one will work on this login feature. Okay, thank you.